Michael Vandier from Oregon, New Brunswick has deployed a 450 square foot American flag with a 20 to 25 rate, slowing his rate of descent through the skies. Ladies and gentlemen, I will ask you to now please rise and remove your hats as we play our visiting neighbors' national anthem.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam, whose bright stripes and bright stars through the perilous night o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streamed, and the rockets went there, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, sing us that star-spangled banner yet waves o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
A great big round for our first Skyhawks as he comes in for landing and for Charles and Doyle Canadian flag. Ladies and gentlemen, our world-famous Skyhawks Canadian team is the height of a two-story building. Ladies and gentlemen, I will ask you once again to please rise and remove your headdress as we play our national anthem.
Oh, Canada, our home and native land, true patriot laws, in all thy sons command. With glowing hearts we sing, we rise, the true north, strong and free. From far and wide, oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. God keep our land glorious and free. Oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee.
Once again, a great big round of applause for Charles and Carol B. And ladies and gentlemen, our Skyhawks, our team captain, Captain Christopher Nebrega from Mississauga, Ontario, Sergeant Trevor LaValle from Oregon, New Brunswick, and flying our Canadian flag, Sergeant Hayat Bayin from Saint Boniface, Quebec. Also known as the pilot of the formation, will climb down his partner's parachute lines to wrap his legs around his partners in a leg lock. No strings, straps, or cords are used in any of our formations today, ladies and gentlemen. Only pure, raw physical strength holds these formations together. And our Aerobatics team have now come together in that said leg lock in a side-by-side formation. Notice that slight gap between their parachutes. This is known as a knife edge. They use this separation to steer and direct their formation through the skies. Ladies and gentlemen, they just performed a barrel roll. And a pinwheel as one of the jumpers circled underneath his partners and comes up along the other side. Ladies and gentlemen, if you listen closely, you will hear them communicating with one another. This is a great example of the outstanding teamwork and communication that is common in working in your Canadian forces. But if you can hear them, if they can hear you, give them a great big round of applause as they come in down in a downplane before they break off formations. Wow, they are bringing it down low for you, ladies and gentlemen, and JP has released the bottom two jumpers as they come in for landing. And our world-famous Skyhawks Canadian team. It is said that it is often imitated, but it is never duplicated. Formations. The two jumpers at either extremity are holding on to one another in a leg lock, while the Minuteman, we also call him the Muscle Man, is holding on with his arm strength. They are now fanning their canopies, forming a 360-degree circle, with the smoke piling their descent in a tri-down plane. And down, down, down towards the ground they go at more than 40 miles an hour. And they are bringing it back up in a try-by-side as they fly the formation in for landing. The pilot of this formation is Master Seaman Dominic Clement from Shawinigan, Quebec. The Middleman, the Muscle Man, Corporal Corey Douglas from Okanagan, British Columbia. And last but not least, Corporal Sébastien Trudeau from Repentigny, Quebec. We're giving the whole crowd a show as they go off to the right for landing. Give them a great big round of applause as our three Skyhawks circle